Today is the launch of the DENALI T3-S Smart Auxiliary Lights. Now you may be thinking, what is it about them that's smart and how will they improve your ride? The DENALI T3-S Smart Auxiliary Lights, as you can see, dramatically increase the visibility of your bike from the rear, which is the most vulnerable area of your bike. So they are plugged into an accessory manager and they read the data from the accessory manager and then make the lights respond to your controls and your situation. Now you can set them up in the accessory manager software so that they can run at different light intensities. So in this case, on the Desert X, we've got them set at 10% light intensity as running lights. But when you indicate, as you can see here, the lights respond. Clearly adding to the visibility of your intentions on the road. And as a brake light, can be set to run at 100% light intensity. Now what makes the DENALI T3-S really smart is that where in the past DENALI's T3s have had to make use of 3 output circuits from your accessory manager. So an output for the brake, and then for the left turn signal and to the right turn signal. Now, because these T3-S smart auxiliary lights make use of the ezBUS technology, they can be connected to the single white channel. So you set the white channel up as an ezBUS channel, and then you can add up to 15 ezBUS-ready accessories to that single channel. So this is the splitter that's provided with your DENALI T3-S smart auxiliary lights. They give you your 2 outputs that you can plug in your smart auxiliary lights, and then you've still got an output where you can connect other ezBUS-ready accessories. In the Accessory Manager software, you'll see if you go through and you scan for ezBUS-ready accessories, once the accessories are detected, you can go through and configure your smart DENALI T3-S auxiliary lights as either a left light or right light or as a center light. So it gives you that flexibility to set up your lights exactly how you want to your configuration. And if you scroll down to the configuration panel of the DENALI T3-S Smart Auxiliary Lights in your Accessory Manager, you will see that there's lots of different functions. You can set up the light intensity for the running lights, for the turn signals, or for the brake light. So one of the cool features that you can utilize with your DENALI T3-S Smart Auxiliary Lights is fog lights. So on this particular Desert X, we have a set of fog lights. So we're using the DENALI D3 fog lights, and we have a hex easy switch, which means that we can operate the fog lights. But now watch what happens to the DENALI T3-S Smart Auxiliary Lights when we switch on the fog lights. So you would have noticed that the light intensity increases when we switch on the fog lights. So this is one of the features that you can set up in the software. Now, on top of that, if you hold down the easy switch button for 5 seconds, you'll see what happens. The DENALI T3-S Smart Auxiliary Lights go into fog light strobe mode. So this gives a pulse. So it's very much like an F1 race car when they're racing in wet or in low visibility. They give this pulse, which means that you are dramatically visible from the rear in low light conditions when you are the most vulnerable. Now if you hold the hex easy switch button down again for a further 5 seconds, it goes back into solid mode. And then by just tapping the button once quickly and you switch the fog lights off, the rear DENALI T3-S return back to the running light settings that you've got in the software. So as you can see, there's a lot of features that have been built into this product and into an accessory manager to really improve your safety on the road.